Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Sophie channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sophie.
Hello, Sophie.
And a big hello to all our wonderful listeners out there. It is fantastic to be here with you again today.
It is always great to be here. How are you doing today, Sophie?
I am doing very well. Thank you, Max. I am feeling good. And you? How are you?
I am great, thanks. I am excited because today is Monday.
Monday? Max, usually people do not like Mondays. They are tired after the weekend.
That is true, but Monday is special because we can talk about the weekend.
Ah, I see. We can share stories. I like stories.
Yes, and today we have a very useful topic for our listeners. We are going to learn how to answer the question, how was your weekend?
That is a very common question. My friends ask me that every Monday morning. Hey, Max, how was your weekend?
Exactly. It is the best way to start a conversation on Monday. But sometimes it is hard to find the right words in English.
Yes, we need to talk about the past, things that finished yesterday or 2 days ago.
Correct. So today, we will tell you about our weekends, and we will look at the verbs we use, the past tense verbs.
That sounds perfect. I want to tell you about my weekend. It was amazing.
Oh, I want to hear about it. But wait, before we start our stories, we have a small favor to ask our friends listening.
Yes, please. If you are enjoying our podcast, please subscribe to the Learn English with Sophie channel. It helps us so much.
And please give this episode a like, a big thumbs up. It helps other English learners find our videos.
And share it with your friends. Learning English is better with friends.
Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, Sophie, are you ready to talk about the past?
I am ready. So, let's start with a simple question. Max, how was your weekend?
My weekend was very busy, Sophie. I did not stop. I was active from morning to night.
Really? What did you do? Tell me everything.
Well, on Saturday morning, I woke up early and I went to the beach. The weather was beautiful. It was very sunny on Saturday.
That sounds nice. I love sunny days.
It was. I walked for 1 hour along the beach and then I played volleyball with my friends.
You played volleyball? Wow, you are very active.
I tried to be. I like volleyball, but I'm not very good at it.
That is okay. It's just for fun. The important thing is you enjoyed it. So you walked and you played.
Yes, walked and played. Listeners, did you hear that sound? I said walked and played.
Yes, the sound is at the end of the word. This is a secret for English verbs. For many verbs, when we talk about the past, we just add ed to the end.
Ah, yes, regular verbs. I remember this from school. My teacher taught me this.
Exactly. Walk becomes walked. Play becomes played. It is very easy, very simple.
It is easy. Just add ed. What about listen? Like listen to music.
Good question. Listen becomes listened.
Listened. Oh, okay. I listened to music on Saturday night. I relaxed at home.
See, you are doing it. What music did you listen to?
I listened to rock music. It was very energetic. I danced a lot in my living room.
Danced. There's another one. Dance becomes danced. You are learning so fast.
This is great. So I walked, I played, I listened, and I danced.
You had a wonderful Saturday. It sounds like a perfect day.
I did. It was great. But Sophie, what about you? How was your weekend? I want to know.
My weekend was very relaxing. I stayed home mostly. I needed rest.
Stayed. Stay plus ed. I hear it.
Yes, I stayed home. I needed to organize my room. It was very messy.
Oh no! Organizing is boring. I do not like organizing.
It is a little boring, but I cleaned my desk and I washed my windows. Everything is clean now.
Cleaned and washed. You were very busy too.
Yes, but after that, I cooked a big lunch for my friends. I invited them over.
Cooked. What did you cook? I'm curious.
I cooked chicken with a special lemon sauce. It is my favorite recipe.
That sounds delicious. I'm hungry now. Can you cook for me next time?
It was very good. Everyone enjoyed it. They asked for seconds.
Enjoyed. Everyone enjoyed it. That is good. So, Sophie, these words are easy. Cleaned, cooked, washed, played. These are the regular verbs.
Yes, they're nice and simple. But Max,
Yes, Sophie,
sometimes English is not simple.
you are right. Sometimes English is tricky. Very tricky.
Yes, because on Sunday, I did not go to the museum.
No, please do not say goed. That sounds very funny. Very strange.
I know, but go is a verb. Why is it not goed?
Because go is a rebel. It is an irregular verb. It does not follow the rules. It breaks the rules.
A rebel verb. I like that. So, what is the past of go?
The past of go is went.
Went. That is a completely different word. It is W-E-N-T. Went. Not like go at all.
So, on Sunday, I went to a cafe. A nice cafe in the city center.
Went to a cafe. Perfect. And did you aided good food?
No, not aided. That is not correct.
Correct. Eat is also a rebel. What is the past of eat?
The past of eat is ate.
8, like the number 8. 8, the same sound.
Yes, I ate a big sandwich with cheese and tomatoes.
Yummy! So you went to a cafe and you ate a sandwich. That sounds nice.
Yes, and then I saw a colleague. I was surprised to see her there.
Ah, saw. That is the past of see.
Yes, I did not see Aid. I saw her.
You are a star student, Max. See becomes saw. Who did you see?
I saw my colleague Maria. You know Maria? She works with me.
Yes, I know Maria. She's nice. I met her at your party.
She is. We had a good conversation. We talked for 30 minutes.
Had. That is the past of have.
Yes. Have becomes had. We had tea. English tea. With milk.
These irregular verbs are very important. We use them all the time. Every day.
Yes. Go, eat, see, have, went, ate, saw, had. We just need to memorize them, right?
Yes. Just practice them. When you tell a story, try to remember the special word. Practice makes it easier.
Okay, let me try another one. Buy. Like, I buy clothes.
Good one. Buy is very common. We use it often. What is the past? Is it buy ed?
No. Try again. Think carefully.
Is it bought?
Yes, bought. It sounds like bought. B-O-U-G-H-T.
Bought. Okay. I bought a magazine at the shop. A fashion magazine.
Perfect. You bought a magazine. This is fun. It's like a game. Regular or irregular?
It is. So let's look at your Sunday again. You went to a cafe. Irregular.
Yes, correct.
You ate a sandwich. Irregular.
Yes, another irregular.
You saw Maria.
Yes, and then, did you go home?
Yes, I went home and I was tired, so I slept. I slept for 2 hours.
Slept. That is the past of sleep.
Yes, not sleep-id, slept. Just slept.
Wow, Sophie, your Sunday was full of irregular verbs. So many rebels.
It really was. And your Saturday was full of regular verbs? You cleaned and cooked?
Yes, I like to follow the rules. I am a good student.
That is very funny. But you know, Max, there is one more thing. One more important thing.
What is that, Sophie? Tell me.
When we ask the question, we use a special helper word.
A helper word? What do you mean?
Yes, listen to the question. What did you do?
Did. D-I-D. I see now.
Yes, did helps us ask about the past. What did you eat? Where did you go? Who did you see?
Exactly. We use did plus the normal verb. This is a great rule.
Wait, so I say, where did you go? Not, where did you went?
Yes, you are so smart. When we use did, the verb stays normal. It does not change.
That is a very good tip. Where did you go? I went to the beach. What did you eat? I ate pasta. Did you listen to music? Yes, I listened to music.
Perfect. You have the full conversation now. You can talk to anyone.
This makes me feel much more confident. I can talk to my colleagues tomorrow.
Yes. When they ask, how was your weekend, Sophie? What will you say?
I will say, it was great. I went to the beach, I played volleyball, and I ate a good sandwich.
That is a perfect answer. It is clear, it uses the past tense, and it is interesting. People will want to hear more.
And I can ask them, how was your weekend, everyone?
Yes. And then listen for their verbs. Do they say watched or went? Pay attention.
I will listen carefully. It is good practice, the best way to learn.
Listening is the best practice. Sophie, I have a funny story from my weekend. I forgot to tell you.
Oh, tell me. I love funny stories.
On Saturday, when I played volleyball, I fell. I fell hard.
Oh no, you fell. Fell is the past of fall.
Yes, I fell on the sand. It was very soft.
Were you okay?
Yes, I was okay. But my blue shorts, they became sandy. Very sandy.
Oh no, sand everywhere. In your pockets too?
Yes, I looked like a beach monster. Everyone laughed at me.
That is funny. So, did you wash your shorts?
I tried. I washed them 3 times.
Washed. Regular verb. Good.
Yes, good job. And they are still a little sandy. I can still find sand.
Well, now you have a beach shorts. Special beach shorts.
Exactly. They are my volleyball shorts now. My lucky shorts.
See, even a small accident is a good story and good English practice.
Yes, I fell. I washed. Stories are everywhere. We just need to tell them.
They are. And our listeners have stories too. Everyone has stories.
I am sure they do. Everyone does something on the weekend, big or small.
Even if you just relaxed, that is a story too.
Relaxed is a regular verb. Just add ed.
Or if you read a book. Reading is nice.
Read is funny, Max. Very unusual. Oh, yes. Tell us about read. Explain it.
The word looks the same, R-E-A-D, but we say it differently.
Yes. In the present, it is read, like read a book. In the past, it is read, like the color red.
For instance, I read a magazine yesterday. Same spelling, different sound.
English is crazy sometimes. It makes no sense.
It is, but that is why we love it.
Exactly. It is a puzzle, a fun puzzle to solve.
So, Max, we talked about regular verbs like cooked and played, and irregular verbs like went, saw, and ate. And we talked about using did for questions.
I think our listeners are ready for Monday morning small talk. They have all the tools now.
I think so too. They can be confident. They can speak well.
Sophie, did you have any cake this weekend?
Max, how did you know? Are you a mind reader?
I guessed you love cake. You always talk about cake.
I do. I bought a strawberry cake on Sunday from my favorite bakery.
But, excellent. Was it good?
It was delicious. Cake is always a need, not a want.
I remembered that from our spending episode. You said that before.
Yes. Well, Max, our time is almost finished. Time goes fast.
Oh, that went very fast. Too fast.
Went fast. You used went again.
It did. I loved hearing about your weekend. Your stories were great.
And I liked hearing about your organized room and chicken and your sandy shorts.
Thank you. It is nice to share. Sharing is caring.
It is. Friends share stories. That is how we connect.
So, listeners, now it is your turn. We want to hear from you. Tell us your stories.
Yes, we have a question for the comments. Please tell us, what did you do this weekend? Did you stay home? Did you go to the park? Did you watch a movie?
Try to write 1 or 2 sentences in the past tense. Use the words we learned today. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try.
We love reading your stories. We read every single comment.
We really do. It makes us very happy. You make our day better.
And please, if you like this chat, subscribe to the channel and share this episode with a friend who is learning English.
Maybe you can practice talking about your weekend together. Practice with friends.
That is a great idea. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you get.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone. Have a wonderful week. Stay positive.
Yes, have a great week and good luck with your English. Keep learning every day.
Bye-bye.
Bye for now.